Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Preeti and today I will be discussing with you IELTS writing task 2, which is an essay. So the topic of this essay is the increase in mobile phone use in recent years has transformed the way we live, communicate and do business. Mobile phones can also be the cause of social and medical problems. What forms do these problems take? Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages of mobile phone? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant example from your own knowledge or experience. So now here you have to mention both the advantages and disadvantages of this topic, this statement, and you have to give your own opinion whether you think advantages are more than the disadvantages or there are more disadvantages. So let's read the essay and let's see now. So first is the introduction paragraph. Now in introduction you have to rephrase the statement or the topic sentence. So how you have done it, let's see. The advancement of mobile technology in the recent years has completely changed our lifestyle. So here if you see in the statement, transform the way we live. तो इसको हमने चेंज कर कर लिखा है completely changed our lifestyle. The way we interact. So the statement में जो communicate word लिखा है उसको हमने rephrase करके लिखा है the way we interact. Because communication means our interaction. And do business expansion. तो अभी आप यहाँ देखेंगे स्टेटमेंट में डू बिजनेस लिखा है तो हमने बिजनेस एक्सपेंशन लिख दिया है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी हैव रीफ्रेस्ड द टॉपिक सेंटेंस और जो कि आपको इंट्रोडक्शन में करना है. The advancement of mobile technology in the recent years has completely changed our lifestyle, the way we interact and do business expansion. On the other hand, this extreme usage has negatively affected the society and its health. So if you look at the topic sentence, इसमें लिखा है mobile phones can be the cause of social and medical problems. So social word relates to the society. तो हमने इसको rephrase किया, हमने society लिखा. And medical problem is related to health. So we have again taken the word health. So in this way we have rephrased the statement. In my opinion, though there are numerous advantages of mobile phones, but the drawbacks cannot be ignored. So you want to say that advantages are more, but the disadvantages or the drawbacks, we cannot ignore them also. To begin with, various tasks can be performed through mobile phones at the same time. For instance, with one single gadget, people can listen to music, watch movies, access emails, use calculators and alarms conveniently. People can call or text their family and friends anytime and anywhere. So here you can give an example of social networking websites also, which you can access through your mobile phones like WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram. तो ये भी आप example में लिख सकते हैं. Also, various video calling applications. यही again video calling applications कौन सी हैं हमारी WhatsApp है और Facebook Messenger है. So you can mention these names also in the essay. Also, various video calling applications facilitate people to see their near and dear ones live in any corner of the world. Not only this, various meetings are held through video conference calling in different parts of the world, and this has led to easy business expansion over the years. तो वही बात आई कि बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीज यूज़ ऑफ मोबाइल फ़ोन आप वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल्स भी कर सकते हैं सिटिंग एट एनी कॉर्नर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. यू कैन डू बिजनेस मीटिंग्स एंड इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी टू क्लोज बिजनेस डील्स. तो इसमें फ़ेस टू फेस बिजनेस मीटिंग्स भी होती हैं थ्रू मोबाइल फ़ोन. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, नाउ ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी मीन्स ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड, longer hours of looking into mobile phones has led to various health hazards. Harmful radiation is emitted through screens adversely affecting the eyes. तो इसका एक डिसएडवांटेज है कि ये आइज़ को डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट करता है. There have been incidents where people have developed severe headaches, insomnia and dangerous diseases like cancer and brain tumor. तो ये भी एक एग्जाम्पल है. जब आप लिखते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर इंस्टेंस और या आप लिख रहे हैं देयर हैव बीन इंसिडेंट्स, तो ये भी एक एग्जाम्पल है. In addition, people no longer visit each other in reality and this has damaged the healthy relationships between them. Obviously because people prefer to interact or chat more by using their mobile phone, तो वो avoid करते हैं और people they become lazy to go out, specially get ready and go out to meet someone. They prefer to socialize through mobile phones and family time seems hardly existent. अगर आप घर में भी देखेंगे तो आजकल सब लोग मोबाइल फ़ोन में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं और फैमिली मेम्बर्स से भी फ़ेस टू फेस कम इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. Children have become addicted to the screen time and this has slowed their educational progress. तो ये भी एक बहुत ही important point है disadvantage में कि children especially they have become so addicted in playing games and using going online and using again आजकल तो बच्चे भी WhatsApp पे chat करते हैं, so they become addicted to screen time. To conclude, mobile phones have no doubt made our lives easier and are an important part of our daily life. Though its advantages are innumerable, means बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, the disadvantages regarding health and society cannot be ignored. So यहाँ पे आपने जो लिया है you partly agree and partly disagree also. इसमें आपने ये स्टैंड लिया कि एडवांटेजेस तो हैं बहुत लेकिन डिसएडवांटेजेस को भी हम इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते. So guys, hope that this essay was useful to you and I will be posting many more material regarding IELTS and essays, letters and speaking topics as well. I request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get regular updates from my channel. Thank you so much.